This iWork Ratcheting screwdriver is cheap and easy to use, but it is also very easy to break. So I'm going to show you how to assemble that breaker pieces. Okay, now I have all pieces separated. So I'm going to show you how to put them together and make it work. Firstly, we need to put the core piece here. Then put this stopper piece to this slot. It looks like this. We have this stopper piece. So now the core cannot be extracted. Now we need to put these two pieces on this position here. So we put the two pieces in this position, so later they can control the screwdriver's rotation direction. Now we need to put these two pieces together. That's the switch. It should look like this. So later I'm going to put this piece on this part, on this position, and then install this part together. And then later, so finally I'll put this plastic screw to fix them together. Before I assemble the final piece together, it should look like this. The switch put on the top, and then install this piece. Okay, now I'm putting them together. So this switch can adjust the rotation direction. So finally, just put this screw here. So now screwdriver should be working good. Hopefully this can help some of you to repair this easily breaking screwdriver.